You hop into the car, flip on SiriusXM. Maybe you're excited to hear a new album, a talk show, whatever. And instead, everything kind of sounds warped and, kind of sounds like it's wrapped up in a wet blanket. Voices sound squashed. The music feels tight, and you start missing all the little sparkles you get when compared to FM or HD radio or streaming. So what gives? Are we just audio snobs? Or is there something legit going on under the hood? Let's break it down from the tech side and the listener's experience.